If you want to enable Samsung DeX via cable on Samsung Galaxy S26, then in this case you need to use a USB-C to HDMI cable or some sort of adapter that allows you to use the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the screen and connect the phone to, for example, your TV or monitor, display, anything, and that uses HDMI. So I'm just gonna connect it. Right now this cable is connected to my TV. There we go. After that we will see this information on how to use the touchpad on our phone. And then on your TV you will immediately start running the Samsung DeX. And there we go. Over here we have the Samsung DeX information, so we can use the touchpad on our phone. Of course, ideally you want to use like a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to make it work in a slightly more convenient way. And remember to change the HDMI output on your TV, display, monitor, and whatever, in order to, of course, make sure that you can see the image on your TV or something similar. But that is literally it. Just connect the cable and it should work just fine. Leave a like and subscribe.